Hey guys, we have a short video for you guys today. This is a 60-core Hobart mixer with a brake lock mechanism for the wheel. Basically, when you hit start, this wheel will be locked in place as that. This wheel cannot be lowered while the machine is running. Now, see the brakes are inside. There's times, guys, that this brake mechanism gets locked in place even when the machine is off, and keeps the wheel and the arm up. You cannot lower it down. And what people do is yank it down and end up damaging pieces. So when this locks in place and it doesn't disengage, you just need to loosen those 7/16 bolts in there. There's 3 usually, 1 in the corner and then 2 on this side, and then move it out, and that will disengage or unlock. That will be a temporary solution. Another thing is, if you don't want an operational brake, you can disconnect one of those terminals down there and put electrical tape, and it won't affect the unit performance. So, quick tip on how unlock this system in case it locks on you, in case it locks in place. Just loosen those 7/16 bolts right there. Move the plate down. Obviously, disconnect the power. Do not do anything until the power has been disconnected. That's how you can disengage this brake. Gonna hit stop, then releases. All right, hope this tip is helpful. How to disengage or unlock this wheel in case it locks in place. All right, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.